So hey Brett, why do we keep our face out of the bag?
When you wear an emergency shelter bag like this, one of the most important things to remember is not to breathe inside the bag. It's tempting to pull inside because your breath feels warm and it helps to warm up the area on the inside. But the real problem with that is there's lots and lots of moisture in that breath. And so what will happen, this material is completely waterproof. So what's going to happen eventually, no matter what you do, is you're going to gather a little bit of moisture on the inside. It starts to kind of fog up. And if you breathe inside the bag for any period of time, it's gonna get really wet inside of here really, really fast. So what you wanna do is, over time, it's kind of a constant maintenance issue. Your body heat inside of this bag, it warms up the air that's trapped in here with you, but there's moisture coming off of your skin. So what you have to do is, every hour or two, you're gonna get up, vent all of the nice, warm, moist air that's in here, and then get inside the bag again. If it's really wet on the inside, simply turn the bag inside out. So I've still got clothing on. I'm wearing Gore-Tex and I've got my insulating layers and everything else. This outer bag is just protecting me from the bad elements from getting to me while I'm sitting here protected. It's like a little protective house on the inside. So it's making it a lot easier for all of my clothing and everything that I've got in here. The environment inside is really not bad. I mean, it's probably 50, 60 degrees inside this bag, which is about 20 or 30 degrees warmer than what we've got outside.